Dental bridges are a typical dental procedure that's used for replacing missing teeth. The bridges consist from two or more crowns placed on each side of the gap in which teeth or missing teeth would have been, along with an artificial tooth or two between. The procedure is a fantastic choice for people who've lost teeth because of dental decay, injury, or for any other cause. In this clip, we'll look at the benefits of bridges for dental use and their reasons for being the preferred choice of the majority of patients. 1. Improved appearance. One of the primary advantages of bridges for teeth is the ability they provide to improve your appearance. A missing tooth can result in your facial structure to shrink and appear older than you really have. Dental bridges can improve the appearance of your smile and improve your appearance overall. 2. Improved speech. A missing tooth can impact your speech, making it hard to say certain words correctly. Dental bridges are a great way to improving your speech quality through filling in the gap between where the missing teeth once were, which allows you to speak with greater clarity and confidence. 3. Increased comfort. Missing teeth can result in discomfort and pain during eating and speaking. Dental bridges can ease this pain by providing an incredibly solid basis for your newly created teeth. It isn't necessary to be concerned about your teeth shifting or being out of position as you eat, talk, or eat. 4. Better eating habits. Teeth missing can cause it to be difficult to digest and chew certain foods, which leads to poor nutrition as well as general well-being. Dental bridges are a great way to restore the capacity to chew correctly and enable you to have a broad selection of meals without restriction. 5. Improved oral health. Inadequately shaped teeth may increase your chances of developing dental health problems, including tooth decay, gum disease, as well as losing bone. Dental bridges can avoid these issues by filling those gaps while maintaining the oral structure and jaw. 6. Durability. Dental bridges provide a long-lasting solution to missing teeth when properly maintained and taken care of. They're constructed of tough materials like ceramic or porcelain that are able to withstand the wear and tear from daily usage. 7. Easy maintenance. Dental bridges are simple and effortless. Brush or floss the bridges just the way you brush your regular teeth in order to keep them fresh and free from bacteria and plaque. Checkups on your dental health regularly are essential to ensure your bridges are in good health. 8. Cost-effective. Dental bridges offer a low-cost alternative for tooth loss when compared with other alternatives, including dental implants. Bridges are a more economical option and can offer you a natural dental appearance and improve your dental health. The bottom line is that dental bridges have many benefits for people who are missing teeth or want to restore their smiles and dental well-being. They are a natural, attractive, and long-lasting option that can increase your look, boost the quality of your speech, and improve your confidence. If you're considering dental bridges, speak to your dentist and determine if this procedure is appropriate for you.